Assalamu alaikum. This is Sazzad here. I would like to talk about explanation about develop a simple TCP IP client server application in Python to handle reading and writing attributes associated with person's name. So here is the code of server and this is the code of client. So first of all, we will discuss about the server. So here you can see a socket and JSON. So socket is a lower level of data, and this is the JSON will encode. This is the function that will encode and decode the JSON file path, and this is the reading function, and implement a function if it's here or not data, and a write function that will be implement a data on the JSON file. This is the write function, and handle comment. This is from will get from client server, and if we get a comment like action attribute and person name, that will be splitted, and here we can see two type of action, read and write. If we get another action like tiger, then we'll get invalid comment because we'll recognize the read and write function type. Okay, so now this is the it's start server. We can see if in it this is like IPv4 socket type, and this is the socket stream. This is like a TCP connection established type. This is the socket, and we use the bind. This is the initial host and port name, and this is the bind server to interact with the client and server type, and this is the listening port, and okay, this is the overall the explanation, and one of the main thing that this is the client socket receive buffer size decode. This is the function when we get a same buffer size from the client side, then this is received from this is received from the client server. Now here you can see that this is also the decode function here, and this is how we will interact with the server and client. Okay, so this is the client code, and here we can see the get attribute like read write function and attribute person name, and send comment to the server, and this is get. Okay, so okay, this is the overview of code, and now we'll go to functionally demo. So this is the first will run Python server. Okay, and this is a server established, and the server is listening on this is the port address. Okay, then we'll python client.py. Okay, so here we'll input the input something, right? Attribute number. Okay, and my name, person name. Okay, Sazzad. Okay, and then enter. Then here you can see some changes like enter value for number. So okay, we'll go for number 1168209. Okay, then enter. Okay, then we can see the write successfully, and here we can see the data JSON is implemented, create the file, and input the data inside. Okay, yeah, see subject number. Okay, then we'll write something else, write like is, and okay, the attribute person name also subject, same name will be here. Then Shajjat will give my age 23. Okay, then we see implemented successfully age 23. This is like a real-time base. Okay, we'll recognize another type of comment like read. Yeah, is Shajjat. Okay, now we'll get like what's my age from the JSON file, read, and I'll see the data. Okay, the server response 23. This responding time will get from the server, from server. Okay, now we'll implement other name like number, and okay, John. Now number 880579. Okay, this is done, and here you can see there the another tables implemented here, John and number is that. Okay, now again write like address John. Okay, address like Toronto, Toronto, CA. Then implement as address Toronto, CA. Now we'll get a spelling mistake, right? Writing, right? Okay, right. Header, jump. So we'll get a message like invalid comment. So here we see invalid comment. Also, we'll get right. No, we'll read. Okay, read AFR. We didn't give the attribute like AFR, so now John. Okay. So definitely I'll gonna show that invalid something attribute not found like that. So attribute not found. This is the type of get response to the server. Okay, this is the response from the server. So this is the executable code from server and client, and this is from my side the explanation. And thank you.